he's really friendly and happy and
He's got such a deep growl too.
yeah, to make sure you're going to get peed on.
I'm going to get sprayed.
Look out.
Oh!
Oh no, it's going into his face.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
That's called nature.
Oh Mike, let me get you some.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, Donna, you should have warned
Oh
me.
my God, you smell, and I'll tell you, people wonder what it smells like. It smells like stale popcorn.
Oh, that's excellent news
Yeah,
for me.
so that's what you smell like right now.
Right, no worries.
And you're owned by that lion there.
Oh, really?
Marked you. Yes.
Righto. It's very early in our relationship, Kofu.
He looks at you as being I don't know, maybe another ride.
No feel good morning. Geiger. He's Geiger.